guys, so about a couple of minutes, 5 minutes to record weekly test. Focus. If I could snap, I would snap. Okay, that didn't work. Well, it's 12:56, so a couple minutes before required weekly test, and I'm just playing Roblox because why not? I'm close to rebirthing though. Also, I finally set my weather radio alarm so it would go off for the required weekly test because my dad set it up at first and it wasn't even set up for the presidential test. That would suck if I didn't have the alarm on for that. It's rebirth blues. I never get rid of these things, I don't know why. Just too lazy. Oh, I can get this now. I don't know what this is. Bad internet. Whatever. Also, we're gonna have a big, huge voice reveal video because I honestly don't give a fuck. Yes. I got a big fancy car from my upgrades. I play this game too much. I don't know how I'm not on the top rebirths. I wouldn't be on for all time because I only have 8 rebirths. And yes, I'm playing on my furry account. I call this my furry account now. What is this? Oh, it's the same thing. Weekly. I got like 3 rebirths so far. I should be on the list, but I don't think I am. I don't see myself. Well, they need to update that. Is this mine? No, it's not. Okay, I'm an idiot. 12:58. Oh, now it works. Okay, sorry, I thought it will. No, it wouldn't have. I have my weather radio on if you can't hear it. First thing you always do is buy the elevator. By the way, I'm playing multi-cane. Oh, no, don't do that. Oh, this is just Discord channel. It's South Texas Elevators. EAS, whatever his name is. I'm sorry. Ow. Oh, 12:59. I should stop sitting so comfortably. I should probably go over there, but I just don't want to stop. Okay, I'm stopping. I'm not watching The Simpsons. It's a music video. Lovely. Stopped it for copyright. Cinnamon. You ready to wake up? I'm sure you're already awake from the light. It says 1:01 on that clock. It's like a minute behind. Please don't do the thing. I hate zooming in on this thing. It's not zoomed out all the way, so. Oh, I should probably turn this off.
At Waterloo, it was sunny. At Mason City,
okay. Is it 12:57, 1:01, or is it 1 o'clock? Which is it? I don't know anymore. Oh, my computer is loud. It's gonna be annoying.
for west central Wisconsin, including
Eau Claire, Menominee, and Chippewa Falls.
today, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. North winds
I'll turn up on the
10
thing.
miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s.
Shit, piece of shit.
Friday, partly cloudy.
I want to sit back down, but it says 101. What the fuck? I guess I'll buy a bench. You can't even sit on the bench.
Mostly sunny with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms.
Honey.
Highs in the lower 80s. Saturday night, clear.
You look so cute.
In the upper 50s. Sunday, mostly
I want to lean down to get a better shot of her, but
upper 70s.
not to take the risk.
Sunday night, clear. Lows in the mid-50s.
Come on.
Monday, mostly sunny.
12:59.
Highs
Any
in the
second.
upper 70s. Monday night, mostly
Turn
clear.
black light on.
Lows in the upper 50s. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s.
I know, look at this room.
Night, mostly
So
clear.
thin.
Lows in
That's
the
why it's a
upper
very
50s.
bad shot of weather radio.
Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Again, the forecast for west central Wisconsin, including Eau Claire, Menominee, and Chippewa Falls for today, mostly sunny.
R.I.P. Tommy.
Highs in the mid-80s. North winds
1
5 to 10
o'clock.
miles an hour. Thick smoke passing through the area today and this
Come
evening.
on.
Smoke from wildfires, Indiana, Canada, has drifted south overnight behind a cold front. Visibilities have fallen to between 2 to 4 miles across parts of central Minnesota, but could be reduced to a mile or less at times. Visibilities will deteriorate across southern Minnesota by this afternoon as the smoke continues to drift south. Conditions will improve from north to south this evening. In addition to visibility reductions, very poor air quality is expected. People more likely to be affected by poor air quality include those who have asthma or other breathing conditions, people with heart disease or high blood pressure, children and older adults, and all who are engaged in extended or heavy physical activity outdoors. Stay indoors and limit the amount of outside air allowed in. This is weather radio station WXJ88, serving west central Wisconsin. We broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, on an assigned frequency of 162.40 megahertz. Transmitting from the tower facilities of WHWC.
I'm checking their Twitter. That's 103. You get to see a map and a light for now. Shut up. Dude, that's all I got. It's 106 already. Hold up. Well, I don't know what to do. Once you're ready, I should get off of that. 108. What the fuck? What the actual fuck is going
Sunday
on?
night, clear. Lows in the mid-50s.
What, did I secretly get it? No, last was a sweet thunderstorm on it. What the fuck?
Lows in the upper
What'd I
50s.
do?
Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Tuesday night, mostly in the upper 50s.
I don't know.
Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the
I'm
lower
gonna
80s.
pause the video for now until I finally 10 minutes late. That is weird sounding. Simon gives no fucks.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m.
Yeah, not at 1:11.
The area is during the normal test time. The test will be postponed until next good weather day, such as what happened today. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
That was late.
The current time is 1:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
1:14. It says 1:11. What the fuck?
At 1 p.m.
That was like really behind. Whether it was 1:14, 1:12, whatever time. It was past 1. Well, whatever. Focus. There. Cinnamon really wanted me to record her. Hey, Cinnamon! Cinnamon! She's trying to get my wings. Get back! Wow. Ew. I just kissed her. Is she here? Let me kiss you. Weekly test should be soon. Here, go back. It's 12:42. I'm just recording early. I'll pause the recording after when I wanna. But I wanna say I got 2 wireless emergency alerts for a test. One was at 36, one was at 37. Yeah, I turned all the alerts on from my phone. I don't know why. I hate that happened while I was using the bathroom, so I didn't get to experience it in person. Then I went to go tell my parents about it, and then it just randomly went off and scared me and my brother. Cinnamon, you look so savage. My name is Little Girl. Cinnamon. She looks like she gives no fucks. I know it. Oh, yeah. I know you want the wings. It's the only reason why you're being all nice. Loving. Honey. What? Oh, there's nothing over there. I'm not gonna look. No, I'm not gonna go look. What the? Okay. There's nothing there. Cinnamon. Cinnamon, there's nothing there. It's okay. I'm gonna take you a picture. I am video recording you. You don't have to pose. Yeah, she's a poser. Oh, honey. Go sleep. There, I took the camera off of you. Now go to sleep. Oh. You were so cute. No, don't think about getting those wings. Oh, aren't you a little princess? Oh, that feels weird. Okay, I'm gonna pause the recording until it gets closer to the time because it's at 45 right now. I'll wait about 10 minutes, 5 minutes, I don't know. Just a few minutes left. 12:56, we can't do. 10 minutes left. I'm just leaving my music on mute.
And humidity was 62%. The wind was south at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.12 inches and falling. Across Wisconsin. It was sunny with a temperature of 81 at Osceola, 80 at Cyrus, 81 at LaCrosse, and 82 at Green Bay. It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 79 at Hayward, 85 at Milwaukee, and 80 at Madison. In eastern Minnesota, the skies ranged from sunny to mostly sunny, and temperatures were between 77 and 82 degrees. In Iowa, temperatures were between 76 and
79.
At Mason City, it was sunny. It was mostly sunny at Waterloo, in Rockford.
Will it be a
At Des
month
Moines, it was
of
partly sunny.
weekly test fails?
Once again at noon and in Rice
AKA
Lake,
4 weeks in a row of fail?
it was 77 degrees.
We never know.
Under
Wow. Let's see if it's fail. So far, so good.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota. And west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
Now the forecast for west central Wisconsin, Eau Claire.
I know a perfect header for that. When the new guy comes into work.
Max.
Disgusting.
It smells. Do you clean?